I am at the airport and I just wanted to know before I start this video, which one of you stuck your hand in the lift and leaned on the door for them to add this sign? Like, oh my gosh, bro, like seriously? Anyways, let's just get into the video because this is really, really funny to me. I am finally going to China, to Shanghai, and I'm honestly just visiting it to scope it out because I have been thinking of where do I want to move when I'm done with Korea, and I have been feeling like I'm done with Korea, but I'm not exactly sure yet, and I didn't want to just like pack up and move to China if I didn't know anything about China. So that is why we are going on this trip, just to scope it out and just to have some fun and take a little bit of a break because I just came back from South Africa. Okay, a quick disclaimer. I know 8 days is not enough for me to explore China to the deepest depths, okay? China is such a big place, but I am choosing Shanghai because it's one of the capitals, okay? It's either China, Shanghai, or China, Beijing. And also, it doesn't even matter. Like, I just want to get a little bit of an idea because I haven't found like a lot of information, or there's too much information for me to seep through, and everyone's experience is just too different for me to actually get an idea. Unlike Korea, there's just a lot of information in real time that's not outdated. So it's just so much easier. Anyway, my other thing was that if anyone is thinking of visiting China or even moving to China, please make sure that you follow the visa process very, very thoroughly, because it is the most intricate visa process I have ever had to witness or ever have to go through. So if you are from South Africa and you need me to make like a video explaining how the visa process was for me, just let me know in the comments below. But please remember to do your research properly. And if you need an agency to apply on your behalf and go through the visa process, please do that, because if you just make the simplest mistake, just one mistake, it is going to be denied. And even if you've paid, you will not see that money. Like, you will not get refunded. Okay. So make sure that you go through the steps properly for the visa process because it is so intricate. So I've decided to go with my two friends, and this is going to be a really, really cool experience. But just as we arrived at the airport, like we had to go to Incheon Terminal 2, and I've never been there before. But the crazy thing is how it was all arranged. Like, I don't know why it was so chaotic at this terminal. Like, we were like so shocked. Anyways, look at what happened. Just had the worst experience coming to Terminal 2, and it's my first time coming here. Can you imagine my experience? First of all, we get here, it's so disorganized, and we're taking Korean Air. Imagine, in the country, how is it so disorganized? And then we were delayed because it was so disorganized. There were so many queues everywhere, all the way from boarding until not boarding, man, all the way from the check-in baggage, and we had to check in ourselves, and no one wanted to help. They were like, no, just go. And then we couldn't even get to our boarding gate in time because we were so delayed. Oh my god. And we woke up on time. Like, how does that even work? Come on, Korea, come on.
I think more than anything, it proves just how unfit we are. Because we ran from 250 to 220.
My maximum.
We were tired after 10 seconds.
After 10 seconds,
so
I couldn't, eh?
Change of plans. We will be eating less in China, and we will be waking up every morning and jogging.
Absolutely.
Starting with our boarding, if you need to go to the toilet.
No, I don't need to go to the bathroom.
I'm gonna go.
Okay, go.
Yeah, we'll wait.
Okay, we're gonna board real soon, but that was a horrible experience. But at least we're here, we have all our things, we made it. It was delayed, thank God. But please, if you're going away, make sure you're 3 to 4 hours early because this is so annoying and inconvenient. Oh, by the way, here's my new lippy that I bought. This is Peri Pera. You can't really see it. I'm gonna do the usual YouTube thing. You still can't see it. It's not focusing, eh?
I think it's cinematic or something.
Yeah, it's cinematic. It's not focusing, but it is number what? Number 2, Peri Pera. It's the new ones. I'll add the link in the description below. But I love it.
This is my airport outfit.
This is our airport outfit. This is my airport outfit.
This is so that the pilot can recognize me as part of the crew. She's so anything you want, just like, hey, massive, and then I'll get you sorted. But I'll be in private, I'll be in first class, but I'll come back to check you guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
I appreciate that.
Next time we'll use my private jet.
Absolutely.
So excited, guys. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna have a good time. It's time to go forward, but we're gonna chill because we need to do fast and decompress. And so excited. See you on the other side. Shanghai. Bye.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Code red, code red, code red. This person sitting next to me, and we have boarded and everything, but this person sitting next to me smells absolutely vile. And I feel bad about it. I feel bad even telling you this because my eyes were starting to water and I cannot believe how bad this person smells. And the worst part is that I feel bad because this person maybe had the worst trip, like if you're going through the most, and what if he lost his cards and he couldn't get a hotel and he couldn't shower or something. It's really insane, but the smell is just so vile that I don't know. Maybe he thinks it's normal to smell like that. I don't know. But oh my god. But anyways, my food just came and it looks really good. I mean, it's pretty mid, but it looks really good. I'm busy watching Harry Potter because I am such a huge HP fan. But let's look at this food, guys. It looks really good. It's just meat, steak, veggies, and the huge. And at this point, the smell is killing me, but I'm just trying my best to eat this food because it tastes really good. It's pretty mid, but it's really good. Oh, and my friend is sitting right behind me, so it was nice to chat also while we were on the flight. But my skin's looking good and I'm feeling really good. I'm so excited. The flight is only 1 hour from Korea. It's not that long of a flight. But anyways, we just arrived. I had no idea you're supposed to do your fingerprints when you get the look. So we just had to do this first before we go. Oh my gosh, I was gonna walk in, yo. Thank you. We just got picked up from the airport, you guys, and it is so much easier. Make sure you just get airport transfer from Klook. It is so much easier. Our plane was delayed and we were in contact with the driver and he knew exactly what was going on. He was even tracking our flight to make sure that he was there on time. I don't want a 2-bedroom like this though, because this is a mess.
You need to have a loud.
Oh, washing machine. This is a...
We were just looking at the hotel room and honestly, it's okay. We didn't want anything too extravagant. We just wanted something chilled, something that's close to the railway line so that we can just get to the transport easily. Okay. And yeah, this hotel gave us exactly that, maybe a little bit less, but it's not that bad. It's really, really not that bad. It was the Star Hotel. Maybe if you want to check it out, you can. But right after we arrived, we just decided that we should probably just check out the area. We finally made it to Shanghai. Yay! It's day 1. And it is so cold. Okay, no, it's not that cold. It's not that cold. I'm just wearing my hoodie, sweatpants. My outfit looks real cool, but I'll show you just now. I feel really cute. OMG, you guys, there's so many motorbikes and a lot of people, but it's not that bad. We'll survive. All these bikes just remind me of Vietnam because when I went to Vietnam, they use bikes literally everywhere. And it's so cool. That looks closed, maybe.
That looks like...
I don't know. I wanted to go to that Starbucks, but it totally looks closed. Let's keep going. Guys, wait for me. That's okay, let's go.
Dude, that looks like a star with no bugs.
I like that. I like that. Maybe you're the star and you should be there.
And
you're not there.
Our hotel is all
It's
stars.
star,
It's
yeah.
Star something
It's star,
something. We'll
it's
give
star
him some
hotel.
stars.
Yeah, we'll give him some stars. So I don't know if you guys know, but in China they're all about giving reviews. So if we like a place, we have to give them reviews because they take it very seriously.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this looks good.
That man is Shetland.
What is a Shetland?
No face, no case, mix.
No face, no case.
I've never show people's faces.
Why is he shirtless though? That looks kind of good. Oh, but I see seafood. Dumplings, oh my god. Restaurant now, and I don't know what I'm looking at. But apparently we can translate using Apple Translate. And this is more like a hot pot place, right? Never ever ever ask me to decide what we're eating as a collective, because it takes me hours upon hours upon hours to decide and make a formal decision on what I want to eat, guys. It is so hard to choose and I am so indecisive. So if we are picking what we want to eat right now, you guys have to be the ones to pick for me. And anyways, real quick, let me know in the comments, what is your favorite food? Okay, maybe my friends are just as bad as deciding what to eat, but you know what? It's not our fault. Like, look at all the billions and billions of options. But anyways, we did take a hot pot, okay? Because this is a hot pot place. And then we had a side of rice. And you know what? Like, this was really good. This was so different and it was just amazing. We just ate. Now we're going to Starbucks. OMG. I hope this roller thing doesn't kill me. Oh my gosh, guys, why does it smell so good in here?
It sounds like they're about to take a lot of money.
No, it smells like bucks. I can see bucks right now.
Smells like
No, it doesn't. Yeah, but this one looks expensive. This one.
Yo,
Expensive, this one.
I'm probably just gonna buy water. Yes, I was literally serious. I was gonna get water if these prices were weird. But nah, these prices are literally the same. I think like Starbucks prices anyway, with like any chain or any brand, all the prices are going to be basically the same. Just a little bit adjusted based on the currency, okay? But it was good. It was a good Starbucks, okay? It wasn't that deep. Lol, that's just a video from CapCut. Anyways, I just found this really cool shop where you can get like a whole bunch of crazy snacks. OMG. It's so pretty in here, you guys. And it's like so loud. It's called Busy For You. And look at all these snacks. We're gonna eat all these snacks.
Cucumber flavor. Cucumber lace. Look at all these
Cucumber lace.
Look. Cucumber flavor.
This looks good.
Seaweed. Okay, I've seen people talk about the seaweed.
I just realized that we should totally make a video where I just try a bunch of different snacks, but I'm gonna buy snacks, right? And then when I get home, like back in Korea, I'm totally gonna make a video on that. So please keep a lookout on that. And if you want to know when I'm uploading, you have to subscribe. I can see that when you're viewing this video, you're not subscribing, and I will find you. Anyways, let's go to Family Mart, because I love going to convenience stores. Like each country I've been, like Japan, which other country have I been to? Japan, Vietnam, Korea, they always have like really cool convenience stores. Okay, so we're gonna try out Family Mart. I know I've been to the Family Mart in Japan before, and they might be like similar or whatever, but remember, it's different countries, different food. Even though it's similar-ish, just because it's still in Asia, but I want to see what they've got. Okay, so let's check this out. Let's go to Family Mart real quick. It's like midnight, so I don't know what they have. It's like ice cream, snacks. Oh, this is like all the stuff for New Year's. So this year is the year of the horse, by the way, in case you didn't know. Look at all these snacks. got people eating. There's me. Ooh la la. What you guys getting? Guys, this looks so good. This looks real good. Kanye yogurt. What is Kanye yogurt? I don't mean to be nasty, but I don't know if you guys struggle to go to the bathroom when you're on holiday. I get so shy. So I'm getting yogurt. I don't see like a Greek yogurt because you know Greek yogurt has more probiotics and stuff. But I think this will be fine. Okay, this is all we've got. It's not a lot. I'm so tired. Like, I'm so sleepy. I don't even have my wig on. I'm exhausted, you guys. On the way back to the hotel! We didn't get a lot from Family Mart, okay? It wasn't meant to be a full-on shopping spree, okay? It was just like a few little things, okay? And I am so glad that we went out and it was such a nice day, you guys. Like, day one, super chilled, and I am giving myself maybe 50 survival points for this because it was literally day one. Nothing went wrong, and I'm taking away points because of what happened in the plane. But other than that, everything else was so much fun. So I will see you soon in the next episode because now I am so excited for day two. See ya!